Drag and drop, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn about a common computer term, drag and drop. This phrase is used frequently in technology, and understanding it can make your digital experience much easier. So, let's dive in and learn about drag and drop. Drag and drop is a phrase used to describe a specific action on a computer or digital device. This action involves clicking on an object, holding down the mouse button, moving the object to a new location, and then releasing the button to place the object where you want it. It's a basic skill used in operating computers and smartphones. In this section, we'll explore some common examples where you might use drag and drop. Organizing files on your computer. You can move files from one folder to another. Editing pictures or documents. You can move images or text blocks within a document. Playing certain video games. Some games require you to move objects on the screen. Drag and drop is important because it makes interacting with technology more intuitive and efficient. It's a fundamental skill that can help you improve your computer literacy, enhance your efficiency in digital tasks, understand and use many software applications more effectively. That's all about drag and drop. Remember, it's a simple yet essential skill in navigating today's digital world. Practice it, and soon you'll find it becomes second nature. Hope this video helps you in your journey of mastering English and technology. See you in the next one.